How do you think we got to the moon? Calculus.
Sure. Because somebody.
When we went.
Somebody.
Seth?
I get it. I'm not. Can we talk about Idaho a little bit specifically? What do you think the biggest risk to Idaho is right now? Other than the super volcano in Yellowstone.
No, we're actually pretty decent from that. We got some hot ash.
We don't
pretty
like
good.
to
Somebody's gonna put it out there.
It's gonna push mostly to the east. I've seen all the diagrams.
Idaho is like 60 to 70% Republican, which is good, except that a lot of those people, kind of like what you were saying before, a lot of those people just kind of vote as they're told.
One of the reasons why I do believe we have very low crime, a lot of things that make this place so great, is because you have like-minded people. They want to get along, they want to be friendly, they want to participate in a community together. Yeah. Capitalism is both the thing that got us to where we are and also the thing that is probably going to capsize us.
Capitalism specifically?
Capitalism, absolutely.
I think that capitalism is the best system that we could possibly have, but I think that people are taking advantage of it. Then we have a reason to blame capitalism when really it's people skirting the law. That's
100%.
the problem.
But how do you regulate that, right? And keep your freedoms to
Right.
do things. That's where I get scared. Is like,
I'll step in on this and say, look, if you live in a place that was the same 30 years ago, please tell me where it is. Okay?
It does not exist.
It doesn't exist to a degree. If you don't want life to change for you, if you are North Idaho, Montana native, Alaska native, wherever it is, if you don't want life to change, then you need to go somewhere that it's hard to live.